welcome back again to GLA Bali channel. Hi, I'm Miss Dewi.
So hi, I'm Miss Kiki.
So, what is our topic today, Miss Kiki?
Well, so today we are going to learn about how to say how are you in Bahasa Indonesia.
Wow, that's really useful, right? Well, so what kind of how are you that we will learn today?
So today we are going to learn two ways of saying how are you in Bahasa Indonesia. So the first one is going to be the formal ways, and then the second one is the casual or informal ways of saying how are you.
Wow, that's really interesting.
Let's check this video out.
Go! Well, so Miss Kiki,
Yeah.
you said before that we will learn about how to say how are you in formal ways and informal ways. So, how to say how are you in formal ways? Can you explain to us?
Okay, so first that there are several ways, informal ways of saying how are you in Bahasa Indonesia. So the first one, how are you in Bahasa Indonesia is apa kabar.
Oh, apa kabar?
Right, so it's apa kabar. So that means how are you. Okay, so the second one is bagaimana kabar Anda.
Oh, bagaimana kabar Anda?
So here, Anda means you in very formal ways. So that's why bagaimana kabar Anda.
So bagaimana kabar Anda is for formal ways.
Yes.
Okay. And what else?
So the third one is bagaimana kabar Bapak?
Oh.
That's for men. And then bagaimana kabar Ibu? If that's for women.
So can we say that bagaimana kabar Bapak is like how are you sir, and bagaimana kabar Ibu is like how are you ma'am?
That's right.
Oh, I got it now.
Bagaimana kabar Bapak? Bagaimana kabar Ibu?
Oh, that's really formal, right? So that's how to say how are you in formal ways.
Right. So the next one is how to say how are you in informal ways.
In informal ways, it's really easy. The first one, you have learned about apa kabar, right? Now you just need to put kamu behind it. So what is kamu? Kamu is you in informal, like apa kabar kamu, and you can shorten it into mu, so it's become apa kabarmu.
Apa kabarmu?
Yes, so it's for informal. Like if you see your close friend, you can say, "Oh, apa kabarmu?" like that.
So that's also like means, hey, what's up?
Yes, that's right. So if in English we have like, "Hi, stop." Yeah, in Indonesia too we have, "Hey, apa kabarmu?"
Right.
So before we have learned about bagaimana kabar Anda in formal way. So Anda is you,
right,
in formal form,
yes,
right? And also bagaimana kabarmu, it means the same, right?
Yeah.
It's just changed into mu, which is the informal form of you. Well, that's really easy. You just need to change Anda into kamu.
So it's bagaimana kabarmu.
That's right. Bagaimana kabarmu? And next one, we have bagaimana kabarnya. So, what is the function of nya here, Miss Kiki?
So actually, nya here is back to the person that the speaker is talking to, like the condition of that person. So it's like I ask you, and then I can say, Dewi, bagaimana kabarnya?
Oh, so can we say that nya can change you?
Right.
That's easy. And the last one, we also have gimana kabarmu. Well, this is really informal form, right? Because
exactly,
gimana is the informal form of bagaimana. Yeah, usually Indonesian people will use this because they will feel like more closer with each other if we say gimana instead of bagaimana.
Right. So when you meet like your close friend and then you can say, "Hai, gimana kabarnya?"
Oh, that's right. That's really make us really close.
Well, actually you can say like gimana kabarnya or gimana kabarmu. So that's the same. So you can choose one.
Yeah. Now we have learned about how to say how are you. But if we say apa kabar or gimana kabarmu, someone have to respond to it, right?
Right, exactly.
So, can you tell us how to respond apa kabar and gimana kabarmu?
Okay, first, we have learned about asking how are you in formal ways. If you ask me like how are you,
Apa kabar?
then I say saya baik. Anda apa kabar?
Saya baik.
Because here we use the formal ways
So that is the formal way
of responding apa kabar.
Okay, so how if I say, "Hai Miss Kiki, gimana kabarmu?"
So I can answer like saya baik, kamu gimana?
Oh, saya juga baik. That's easy.
Yeah. So if someone asks like how are you in bahasa Indonesia, and then you can respond like saya baik, saya sehat, and then you can ask back to that person like kamu bagaimana or Anda bagaimana.
So it's like, how about you?
Yes, exactly.
So you say that saya sehat. So what does that mean?
So in Indonesia, because this is like asking condition, and then if I say saya sehat means that I'm okay, I'm fine. That's also the same as saya baik.
Saya baik and saya sehat means the same. Like I'm okay, I'm fine, and like
I'm healthy.
Oh, that's really easy.
Right.
Okay, is there anything else to respond how are you in bahasa Indonesia?
The other way of responding the question is like I can say saya baik or saya baik-baik saja. But then the important one is that we need to ask back to that person's condition. So we can say if that person say apa kabar, and then we can also say saya baik. Anda apa kabar?
Oh, saya baik-baik saja.
Right.
So every time we ask how are you to other person and that person respond should be asking us back.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so remember if someone asks you about apa kabar and you have to asking them back into bagaimana dengan Anda, or it's like how about you?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, that's really easy. Is there anything more that we can learn today?
Or the very informal ways or most casual ways is like when you ask me like apa kabar in casual ways.
Gimana kabarmu?
Aku baik, kamu sendiri?
So what is the meaning of kamu sendiri?
So kamu sendiri here means like also what about you?
Okay.
So Indonesian will mostly use this one.
So if you really want to be like Indonesian native, you can use this expression, right?
So
gimana kabarmu?
Aku baik, kamu sendiri?
Saya juga baik. Okay, so that's all that we can learn about how to say how are you and also the response in Bahasa Indonesia. Well, so if you have another request, like maybe you want to know more about Bahasa Indonesia, you can just comment down here, below here.
Right.
And also you can click like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you want to see us more, maybe you can share our video to your friends. Right? So I think that's all for our lesson today about
how are you in Bahasa Indonesia
and also the response.
Yes.
So let's meet again in the next video. Bye bye.